We gotta get on this side, y'all.
Yeah, that's it,
We gotta get on this side, dog. Dude, come on, man. Let's get John in this bitch.
You guys are fucking perfect. Like, you see that scoop? Yeah, that's just sweet.
Come on, man. Come on, man. You got this shit.
That's like your trick, but harder, dude. Damn, dude. Pulling out that oh my god. Really, like,
dude. Hey, can I hit that?
That's like harder than
Damn, dude.
They're both good, dude. They're in like a spot, too, dude. They're in a spot, it's super cool shit, dude. I'm going to Allen. We're going tomorrow. We're going to Allen tomorrow. You got room for more? Yeah. I'm going to come too, man. Fuck yeah, dude. Let's get Allen forever.
I wish I had room. I'd be able to record it, bro. But I guess I won't.
On the night, get my 20 screen, dude.
I used to throw 360
Oh, really, dude? Like in the air?
Dude, if I could have gone, bro, I could, like, totally record y'all.
I broke my...
But I could...
Woo! Nice.
Damn, that girl got a big ass.
That's one of my favorite tricks, dude. That one's sick. It's fun, dude. It's just like you're blind. Like when you're going back, you know?
Damn, dude.
Seriously, I'm like... That's cool, man. It's like a really good game, bro. I feel like it's like the Barrack.
Oh.
Like,
The Barrack rules.
It's like going out of that game of skate, dude. You know what I mean? It's like a video game, dude. Like, is that fake?
Oh.
Let's see, man. It was.
I'm just saying, I'm putting this video on YouTube and Facebook.
One time I did a fucking fakey bigger flip.
Dude, I'm putting this thing on Facebook and YouTube.
Fakey bigger flip, dude.
Hey, I'm putting this on Facebook and YouTube, my nigga, when I get in there.
Catch that blue cap deal on there, bro? I think he did, dude.
Yeah. The one where you're jumping up in the air? The one where you're jumping, yeah. Dude, I got it twice.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, because he did the inwards, right?
This is good on YouTube and Facebook. It's a good thing I have a fucking YouTube account. Woo. Come on, man.
What letters do y'all have? Oh, you have no. Okay.
Oh, man.
What's that nollie tray, dude? I know you can do that. Nollie tray? Yeah, I know. That's a badass trick, bro. Or like, dude, like a nollie flip, dude. You know he can't do that.
Do something he can't do.
That's not even that hard. Okay, yeah. There you go. Oh.
Oh. I gotta watch this perfectly.
Dude, you never like turn all the way. That's always been your problem.
Booyah!
Don't worry about that. I don't know. Why do you need to worry? Don't even fucking think about the fucking trade. Sorry about the turn, dude. You got the trade. No, I'm not.
Come on, man.
Man, they ran out of Slurpees. How the fuck do you
I'm
run out
high
of
as fuck, dude. Can I have any of that cigarette? I got some six. Can I keep it?
That's it.
Well, let me hit that bitch once.
What's that? Where's Michael? He's right in there.
I'll hit that bitch.
Don't make too much.
I need my shirt back, dude.
Yeah.
And my pants, dude. Those are my fucking pants, dude.
Are you recording it?
Yeah, dude.
Did you got me on camera?
No, dude.
Fuck y'all.
Hey, dude. Oh, yeah, can I get my shirt back? You can keep the pants, dude, on your foot.
Yeah.
I just want my fucking purple shirt
I
back.
don't got it right now.
Well, when you come back this way, you can bring it to me. But you can keep the pants. Fuck the pants, dude. I just noticed that I've been talking to myself, to my phone, that it is on camera.